All right, I'm gonna parallel park. All right, show you how to parallel park, show you how I parallel park. Okay, so I'm gonna come up right here. I'm gonna stop right here. I'm above the car a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna use my rear view camera because my rear view mirror is not working properly. And I'm just gonna put it in reverse and I'm gonna turn the wheel. Look at what I'm doing. I'm looking at the camera, looking right there. Let me adjust this so I can see a little bit. Looking over there, but then I'm gonna use the camera in order to see it a little bit. That's gonna help me out a lot a bit. So I'm just gonna take that, look at the side, make sure I'm not gonna hit that car. Look at the camera right here. It alerts me like when I get close to the vehicle. So I'm just gonna go right here. Another car's right waiting to get past me. Gonna straighten that wheel out just like that. All right, do that, and boom, bada boom, just like that. All right, cool. Car got upset, but you know what? I'm safe, and I'm looking at see how much space I have left in the back. Just like that. I'm gonna get up in there, and I can go back a little bit so I can adjust my car, and then go ahead get more into the space, and then go like that. Get into the space like this, and then just straighten out the car. I have space in the back, as you can see, space in the front, no cars on the side trying to get around me. I'm just gonna even things out, okay? And then right there, see how much space I have over here, and go. Look at that. All right, don't hit the van in front of me, and then back up. Let's see how much space I have on the side of the vehicle. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Let me see, put in park really quick, unlock it, boom. Look how much space I have. That's pretty cool, right? All right, I'm gonna straighten up my wheel, and then I'm just gonna turn the car off just like that.